So, morning guys. Out and about again. This is middle of April, and the birds are definitely starting to come back now. A very nice morning. We had some rain, but now, if I'm very hopeful and optimistic, it's clearing up. If not, we're gonna have some more rain. So I'm in this area with the protected wildlife area. Oops. Protected wildlife area with a lot of variety in the forest or in the nature. So I don't know if you can see it back here, but a lot of waters and canopy, if that's what it's called when it's got leaf on it on the trees, and different pines. So a good variety of nature types, and in my experience, because I was here 2 weeks ago as well, a lot of different bird types. So hopefully we won't have more rain, so that the birds can come out and sing for me or us. So, can you hear the chaffinch? Red robin over here. There was. There isn't too many birds, fortunately. It might be a bit optimistic of me. A bit early in the year, but I mostly think it's due to a little bit cold, very wet, and windy weather. So, but we're on our way to a stream and large water. So. Maybe we'll find something there. I know there should be some. That's a nice tree. There it is. There should be some dippers there. So fingers crossed. At least I get some dippers. So we come to the stream where. I know there's dippers. I haven't heard any, but let's have a look. just as I was about to film it, it flew away. But I think I got a picture. Not a very nice one. It's sitting on some iron, I don't know, stuff, some rubbish over there. But I got to see the dipper, so that was nice. So, oh, here she comes. There's a couple of white wagtails. They found some interest in me. Maybe I look good for the white wagtails, I don't know. So there's one over there and one in the tree behind us now. Common bird, but it's actually not that often that I come that close to them. That was nice. Here it comes. There's two dunnocks singing to each other across this little bay here. One just up in that tree and one just over across. That's nice. So there are some siskins about up in the treetops. I haven't seen them too many times. I've seen them many times, but they're always flying over or way up in the treetops. So maybe I'm lucky and some will come a bit closer. That would be nice, so I can get a better photograph of them. Possibly some footage, but beggar can't be choosers, so I don't believe that. They're too busy. I'm going into this forest behind me here now. I think maybe that could be a nice spot. Can you hear that? That's a willow tit. It was sitting right above me and making a really high-pitched sound and flapping its wing like nothing else. It's still just above me here. So that's probably some sort of mating trick. I have to go over here and see if I can catch a picture of it. The willow tit isn't the easiest one. Really likes its treetops. It's yeah, you can definitely not see it. But I took a picture of it. It's really on top of that pine behind me there. but I'll leave them to it and see if I can find something more to say. The sun came out a little bit, and suddenly there's of course a lot more bird life. So now it disappeared again, but fingers crossed it'll come back and we'll have some more bird life. Really nice forest. There's a lot of dead trees, like this birch here. So there's a lot of food, probably for the small birds, and also many nesting places for the woodpeckers and all the birds that use the woodpeckers' holes. Hopefully the sun will come back now. Sun came out, and white wagtail came out to greet me. Very nice. Sits on top of a mossy rock, so really pretty. And there I flew. Since I was hoping for some more sun, the forest gods gave me some rain. But can you hear the redwing? I'm coming up to this field, and I can hear a lot of siskins. That redwing, chaffinches, 2 over there, 3, 4. So they're in the birch, the 2 birches there. I really like the redwing. Really nice and nice song. Reminds me of spring. See if I can take a picture. It's just in that old birch there. That was a little bit of a walk. And I still have plenty to go before I'm back, so and I did a little 5-minute there. And what a view, fantastic, nice place. Same birds as throughout the day. Majority of redwings, chaffinch, blue-tit, grey-tit. Yeah, I've seen many siskins as well, and of course the red robin. That's everywhere. There's a green woodpecker in front of me here. He's been singing for a while. I can't see it, but it's not more than 100 meters in front of me. There it was, just behind me. Do you see that? Flew 2 meters behind me, 5 meters behind me. It's over there now. Did you hear it? Did you hear it? Green woodpecker. There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay, I finally got some images of the green woodpecker up in that power pole over there. So, not a great image, but a really nice hunt, if you can call it that, for it. It flew past me 2 or 3 times, and just like a few meters, and at one point it landed just behind a stone wall over here, and it was like 2 meters from me, but I was unable to see it, and of course to take pictures of it. But really exciting, beautiful, cool bird. So I've decided to leave it alone. I've been chasing it enough now, and I'm on my way back. So today has been a really nice day, and spring birds are starting to come. The weather wasn't the best, so a lot of clouds, not too much sun, a lot of wind, some rain. So not the best day to be out looking for birds. But I think I got a really nice picture of the siskins and also the willow warbler, and hopefully that turned out well. Most important is I had a really nice time out here, enjoyed nature, and thank you guys, thank you so much for tagging along, and remember, get out and enjoy nature.